What's going on YouTube? This is gonna be the quickest video ever. I gotta run a real quick test on the 2015 Chevy Silverado. It's probably an aftermarket key. You can't hardly see, but this is the 2015 Chevy Silverado. Let's go ahead and get a quick test on it. This is the V4. It has the buttons on the side on the screen, as well as remote start on the side, power button. So let's go ahead and run it through the test. Let's do remote start. I got it set for 4 seconds, so it's going to do about 4 seconds and go back to 0. Cool. Let's do lock. Great. Let's do unlock. Great. I hope y'all saw it. It lights up when I press it. All right. Let's do find, which is his remote start button. And then trunk, I got it wired to his alarm button, because this is only a 4-button key for the Silverado 2015. 4 buttons. Can't really see it, but it's 4 buttons. And let's do the physical buttons. So if you can see, I'm going to press the unlock. Wait, hold it close. Unlock. I'm going to press the lock. Cool. I'm going to press the trunk, which is an alarm button. Cool. Let's flip it over and do the remote start. Cool. And let's actually hold the remote start to show you guys that it will hold as long as you holding it. All right, then you let it go back to 0. This is perfect. Again, if you want to get this key for your car or your truck, hit me up at lcdsmartkey.com. Again, this was the 2015 Chevy Silverado. I appreciate you guys for tuning in.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.